Good day, Mr. Steve. You are welcome to VCube Resources Consult.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure being here.
How can we be of help?
I can't wait to start adding values to myself. I wish to be IT compliant.
Oh, that's part of the IT solutions we offer. You can count us our services when it comes to skills acquisition and potential development.
I'm glad I'm in the right place. Please tell me more.
We will begin with general introduction to Windows and gradually we will move to Microsoft Office packages.
Alright, I'm okay with such arrangement.
You can contact us on +2 3481504344075 WhatsApp line. Visit our YouTube channel, VCube Resources, and subscribe to our channel to get notification for new videos.
I am glad I'm here this time. Thank you very much, sir.
The pleasure is ours. We shall be looking forward to seeing you subscribing to our channel. Thank you for visiting VCube Resources Consult.